Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Kia Sorento. It's an EX Plus V6 engine, 6-speed automatic transmission. In the EX Plus comes with roof rails, signal repeaters, alloy wheels, and this one's also an all-wheel drive, and it has fog lights done up in a beautiful blue color. A little nice black accented grille there. We come around the driver's side and down the car. Opening the door, we see that driver's seat has 2-position memory, power windows, locks and mirrors, and also that very top switch that says auto will fold the outer mirrors inwards to protect them. Rear cross traffic alert, AC 115 volt switch to turn an outlet on or off further back in the car. Traction control, the one with the light on it, controls your dash lighting intensity. There's a door on the gas tank that there's a switch to open it, and also the rear door is powered, so that's the switch to open the door. Sorento has 9,711 kilometers on it. Steering wheel has audio and cruise controls, as well as a few other buttons to control various functions within the car. Climbing into the car, we have Sirius XM on the radio. There'll be a 3-month subscription included with the car, so you can try out the Sirius XM and see how much you enjoy all those channels. Of course, it has push-button start, has dual-zone climate control for you and your passengers' comfort. Down below, there's 2 switches for the heated front seats, also a switch for the heated steering wheel. Down below that is an auxiliary and a USB input port for the radio, so you can enjoy music from your own devices, and 2 12-volt charging ports. Of course, we have the shifter and a drive mode select, and another button to control the all-wheel drive, and a rear parking sensor switch to turn that on or off. So we climb out of the car. Beautiful black leather interior. I think I mentioned that the driver's seat is powered. As we go down a little bit further, we'll take a look up at this point, and we'll see we have a beautiful panoramic sunroof up there to enjoy those beautiful days coming. Also, plenty of room back here for 3 people in comfort, done up in black leather. 12-volt charging port, a USB-A port, and a 115-volt port that I also mentioned in the front. There's a switch to control that, so you can turn that on or off depending on what you need. The car also has sunshades for the back. Coming around the back of the car, we see the EXV6 badging. Push the button, the door opens automatically. This unit's 7 passengers. So you can have 2 in the front, 3 in the center, 2 more people in the back. Also, if I can get the camera in here, there is a climate control back here. So your people in the back won't be too hot or too cold, they'll be just right. You can lay down those 2 back seats. It's a 50-50 split if you want to carry something and carry a person, or you can lay them both down if you just want to carry a bunch of stuff and no people back here. The center seats are a 60-40 split, so therefore you can lay down the bigger side or the smaller side, and you can carry even more stuff. Up here is the button, so if we push that button, the door will close by itself, which is also a nice feature. So this absolutely gorgeous 2019 Kia Sorento EXV6 is located at West Coast Kia. We're in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge. That's the Golden Ears Bridge. About 20 minutes from anywhere in the Lower Mainland. We're open 9 to 9 Monday through Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, Saturday, 11 to 5 Sundays and most holidays. Best way to make an informed decision about any car you're considering is to actually drive the car. So we invite you to come down, bring the family, see how well everybody fits into this Sorento, and also see how well this Sorento will fit into your lifestyle. And what I didn't mention yet was that up on top of those roof rails, you can attach one of those great big boxes to carry ski gear or other stuff. So perfect car for an active family. You can put all kinds of stuff in the back, or you can put one of those boxes up on top, and you can take everything with you that you need.